Day 203, we'll talk about King's Dominion every day until they can make a career day. Invite. Dominator has 5 inversions, including a massive vertical loop, a dive loop, and interlocking corkscrews, making it the most inversion-packed coasters in the entire park. Bring out a second. Can't believe I'm back here again. That's how this crap all started. I can still smell it. First thing. Alright, I gotta get back to the main place. Oh wait, Gabe's calling me again. Wait.
Yeah, they're trying to bait you. Going back there, we need to get the hell out of here. Hell right now. They're going to launch us. They're going to launch us.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service. We're sorry. You have reached a number that has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
What is he gonna launch? No. Didn't he say something about crap? Go, 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 go!